Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know the time that it is now that you are watching the video, but anytime it is, I think I have greeted you. Now, welcome back to Mr. Ola James TV. This day, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of time. Yes, addition and subtraction of time. Seriously, this is a very simple arithmetic. Now let us go and see how this look like. Look at it. We have this one first on the board. 3 hours 43 minutes plus 8 hours 56 minutes. So it is advised that put your hours up here with a space, your minute here. So with this, you can now place each and every figure under where they belong. This is 3 hours. Let it come there at 3 hours. 48 minutes, 43 minutes, 43 minutes with at least a bit of space. Now this one, 8 hours, this is what? 56 minutes. We are adding now. So we have 6 plus 3 or 3 plus 6. That will give us 9. Yes, 9 can actually stay here. Now, this is a special column. In every addition or subtraction of time that you are doing, this column here is a very special one that you need to pay a very good attention to. Now listen and listen good. In this slot here, you cannot write anything that is bigger than 6. The reason is that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So instead of 6 to come to this place, it will become 1 and come down here. So anything that is bigger than 6 is not meant to be here. The number that you can put here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 0. Anything bigger than that cannot stay here. Anything bigger than that cannot stay here. Say 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. They can't stay here. So look at it. We are adding. When we add 4 plus 5, it gives us 9. 9 cannot enter here because the biggest digit that can come here is 5. Now what are we going to do? Knowing fully well that 60 minutes make 1 hour. Out of that 9, we have 9 now. So why can't you just count this 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pick how many 6 you can see here and take it to hour, because 60 minutes make 1 hour. Pick how many minutes that you can see here, how many 6 that you can see here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, there is no longer any 6 here. But we pick just 1 6. Let that 1 6 come here as 1, as tiny as this, that only you can see it. Now, the 1 has come here, then it's remaining what? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 can stay here. That is when you will now put the 3 here as your answer. It goes here 1, remaining 3, the remainder comes here as your answer. We are done with that. We have succeeded. Not putting any number bigger than 6 or equal to 6 here. Now let us add this one together. This is normal. The only special place is this column. This column is the only special place. So pay attention to it. Pay attention to it. Anytime you see addition of time or subtraction of time, pay attention to this column. This column here. Now that is under minutes. Now add this one together. By God's grace, you are going to get 12. So 12 hours. So luckily, it is very simple for us. It is just only one place we need to pay attention to, and that is this place. So therefore, our answer is equals to 12 hours 39 minutes. As simple as that. More examples are coming. Let us see it. Yes, this is another simple one. Here, number 2, we have 1 hour 18 minutes plus 12 hours. It means it has no minutes. 12 hours plus 8 hours 57 minutes. Pay attention. Now, we do our hours and what? Minutes very neatly. So we have under this one, we have 1 hour 18 minutes. I said always give your space like this. All right, then plus 12 hours. My 12 hours come this way and this way. The way you arrange it, your 12 can alter the value of this one here. If you did not arrange it like this, it will spoil this one. Now look at it. This is the right way. But if I happen to put 1 here and 2 here, at the end of the day, I will want to put something here that will look like 0. And this has become 10 hours. This is now 10 hours. But if I should say my 2 should come here as units and my 1 should come here as tens. Look at it. If I put 0 here, 0, 1 is still 1. So let us be very careful. And that is no hour. So we have to put something here to avoid mistakes. Now, this is 12 hours, no minutes, plus 8 hours. Our 8 is going to be here. If I should mistakenly put my 8 here, if I put 8 here, I will be tempted to put 0 here. Then it becomes 80 hours. Be very careful. So I am going to say 08 is still the same thing as 8. Now here I'm having 57. Are we together? All right. I can hear your yes are very loud. Okay. Now we are adding. Let us add. We have 8 plus 0 plus 7. 8 plus 0 plus 7. That definitely is going to give us 15. I know you know it. So normally, you know, this one is normal. So we put 1 here and here is 5. Yes, we are now on that special column. We are now on that special column that we should be very mindful of. We should be very mindful of this special column because a number that can stay here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No 6, no 7, no 8, no 9, or whatsoever. So, but here, after adding this 1 plus this 1, getting 2 plus this 5, 7. 7 cannot stay here. So, why can't you ask yourself, how many 6 can you see in 7? How many 6 can you see in 7? Okay, let us see 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 1 6. Then that means that becomes an hour. Take it here like this, hour. Then this remaining 1 here, let it come here. Oh, we've conquered that place. That means we've ended up put a number that is fitted into this box here. That is fine. 1. Remember, we cannot put anything bigger than 6 or equal to 6. Okay? Now we are not having this place. Normal one has started. Normal arithmetic that you know. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2, 4, plus this one will give us 12. So we put our 12 here. This is 2 normal. 1 plus 1 gave us 2 also. It is 2 normal. It is 2 normal. The only place we have to be cautious of is this column. This column. I am saying it, this column. Be very, very mindful of it. And as you answer, therefore, my answer is equals to 22 hours 15 minutes. 22 hours 15 minutes. Isn't this very simple? Let's go on and see the next example, the last example for addition. Let us see it. Into the third examples under the addition, the last example. Now let us see. We have our hour here, hours, and we have our minutes here. Minutes. Remember, Mr. Lodges have been singing about the fan of mathematics. Fan of mathematics. Fan of mathematics. F, you must be very fast and focused. Be fast and be focused. B, you must be very accurate. That is A. A, you must be very accurate. And the last one, you must be very, very neat. That is fan of mathematics. All of you know that when we turn on our fan in our houses, we feel so much comfortable. In fact, some of us sleep off. So that is it. So turn on your mathematical fan and enjoy yourself. Fast, focused, accurate, and neat. Put it on. Is a good armor to fight in mathology. Okay, now let's see. This is 6 hours. We want to write 6 minutes. If I write my 6 here and I put 0 here, it becomes 60 minutes. And by the way, 6 is not allowed in this place. No. Then we have 0, 6 here, like this. Which I can also do the same thing here. Say 0, 6, 0, 6. 0, 6 hour, 0, 6 minutes. So let us go to the next one. 11. Oh, this 0 I already prepared no space for this one. So I'm having 11 hours, 59 minutes. Alright. Alright. Then here I have just 1 hour, that is 0, 1 hour, and this 33 minutes. So let us add it together now. Alright class, 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is normal. This side is normal. 1 comes here very small and 8 comes here. Yes, it is only this place that we have to be very, very careful of, mindful of. Now add this together. 1 plus 6 plus 3, that is 9. Of course we can't write 9, so 6 goes in 9 once, remaining what? 3. That is that. We are done. That is the order. We need to be very careful to jump. We need to jump this order carefully, and we've done that. Good. Now all this one are just normal. 1 plus 6, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. We have 9 here and we have 1 here. Therefore my answer is equals to 19 hours 38 minutes. Now note this. It is not only that when you add this one together, you will always have 1 to bring there. Don't make mistake. You can add up all these ones and you get something like 15. So that when you now see how many 6 can go in 15, you will now see 2 6s. 2 6s is 15. Then you bring the 2 here and you will say remaining what? It will remain 3. So you bring the 3 here. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So don't think it's only 1 6 that we can see. We can see 2, we can see 3, we can see 4. Depends on what you are getting when you add up this one. Depends on what you get when you add up these ones. So I believe you understand that. Alright. If you know you want me to do that for you, you can make comments. I'm going to send it to you on your WhatsApp. Alright. Let's quickly look at the next one, and it's going to be subtraction, a very delicious one. You are going to enjoy it. Let's do it. Right. This is subtraction. Let us see how we are going to do this. 8 hours 24 minutes minus 2 hours 56 minutes. Alright, we do the same thing. Hours and minutes. So this is 8 hours, 8 here, and this 24 minutes, 24 minutes. Then minus 2 hours 56 minutes. Alright. Let us see. Now look at it now. You know, we've known that anytime we are doing addition or subtraction of time, this colon needs to be very, very treated with careful. We need to treat this one with maximum attention. You see the way I'm doing it now? I want it to be sinking into your head. That's what I'm doing it, so that you can remember this hand. All right, now we are not adding, we are subtracting. So 4 minus 6. Now it's not 6 minus 4, it is 4 minus, that means count 4, take away 6. I trust you, you know that that you cannot count 4 and take away 6. 6 is bigger than 4, so you will need to borrow 1 from 2. So borrow 1 from these 2, it is normal. 1 comes there and this one becomes 1 here. So this is just 14. Now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. Thank you. That is 8. That is 8. Now this one now, 1 minus 5. It is not possible. You cannot count 1 and take it. Don't say the answer is 4. No, it's not count 5 and take away 1. It's count 1. That's what it means. Count 1 and take away 5. Count 1, take away 5. If you count 1 and take away 5, it's not possible. So we have to come to this place and borrow 1. Here is 7. Now listen, this is where the main thing is. When 1 is coming to this place, it's not going to come as 1 again. No, because 60 minutes make 1 hour. Any 1 you borrow here is going to be 6 here. 6 plus. It's going to be 6 plus. Now 6 plus 1 gives us what? 7. 6 plus 1 gives us what? 7. Remember, we borrowed 1 from these 2 before. We brought it here, did this one 14. That one is not special. This is special side here. Now we have 1 left here. So we borrowed 1 from here to this place. It has to be 6. It is 6 because 60 minutes, that's the reason. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 6 here. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Now 7 minus 5 will give us 2. We are done. That means we've been able to cross the dangerous bridge here. If you have done this place and you are correct, that means you are done. That means you are very, very done. You are, in fact, you are overdone. Okay, now this one now. 7 minus 2, 5. So we have our 5 here. So therefore, our answer is equals to 5 hours 28 minutes. That is our answer there. Isn't this delicious? You need to be chewing mathematics in your mouth like you are eating shawarma. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's continue. Let's go to the next example. Here comes another question. Delicious, yummy, tantalizing, right? Okay, let's look at this one. We have hours and minutes. So let's look at this now. Look at this now. Now this is the first term here. This is another term here. Now this give us the defense, the demarcation, the bridge. Now this is 11 hours. 11 hours, no minutes. So write 11 hours, no minutes. We want to subtract. Minus 7. You know our 7 cannot stay here now. You know. Our 7 cannot stay here. Our 7 has to be here so that we can have the 0 here. Alright, 7 hours. Let me cross my 7 so that I can see it's 7. Then 38 minutes. 38 minutes. Alright, let's look at how this goes. Alright, you and I know that we cannot take away 8 from 0. We can't remove 8 from 0 because 0 is nothing. You can't get anything out of nothing. That is it. So now you have to come to the next neighbor to borrow 1. Your neighbor don't have salt. Like you are cooking rice now. You now need salt. Your neighbor is your closest party now. Is your closest friend. So you just go to your neighbor. Neighbor, please, can I get salt? And neighbor say, I don't have salt. But your neighbor have another neighbor. If you are not the one that will jump the neighbor you have to another neighbor, that means they'll be calling you a beggar. See this one, you need to beg for salt. No, it's not like that. So you have to wait. This neighbor will tell you, wait, let me meet my neighbor. Wait, let me meet my neighbor. Look at it. You are the one here. You want to cook rice. You don't have salt. You come to your neighbor. Your neighbor don't have salt. Your neighbor will say, okay, wait for me. Let me go and meet my neighbor to get salt. Now you are waiting here. This neighbor will move to his own neighbor. Now, neighbor, please borrow me salt. He borrowed the salt. He remain 1 here. So the one you borrow here, this place is very, very important. So the one you borrow here is 6. It's supposed to be 6 plus. When we say 6 plus 0 is still, 6. So from this 6, borrow 1 from this 6, because don't forget that you borrowed something from here because you needed to give your neighbor. So now, borrow here. You have 5 left here now. Then the one you borrow here will come here like normal. Now, I believe you understand this place. No, let me explain again. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. Okay, now listen. Listen. 8 is 0 minus 8 is not possible. You need to borrow from here. You cannot jump. You cannot jump to borrow here. You need to borrow from your neighbor here. Please, give me one. He said you don't have, but wait for me. I'm coming. You come to this one, give me one. This one say, okay, I have. And he borrowed it. This one is left with nothing now. He gave it to this one, but because this one is a very dangerous place that we say we should be very mindful of. Now, this one you borrow here is going to be 6 here. If they ask you why, say because 60 minutes make 1 hour. Now, plus 6 plus 0 is still 6, right? 6. So borrow one from this 6, borrow one from here. Give it meaning 5. Give it to this one. It's just normal here. Everything normal here. Normal, normal, normal. It's only this one that is very, 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 very abnormal. We need to be very careful of that. Now, this one becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. Are we together? Are we together? Now, we are having 5 left here. 5 minus 3 will give us what? Okay, you got it. 2. Then 0 minus this is not possible. Then borrow this one here, 0, and give it to this one, making 10. 10 minus this will give us what? 3. You see, this one is just too normal. Don't borrow one from here, put it here. 10 minus this one. You see, it's normal. It's only this one, and when you borrow from here, because this is like another community, you're borrowing to another community. Then you borrow here. When you borrow from here and give it to you, like it's 6, it's 60 million. Remember, I beg you, the name of God. I beg you, remember. Remember. Tell me you are going to remember. I want to hear your voice. Shout it, say, I will remember. Oh, good girl, good girl, good boy, good boy. Now let's go. This is 0 minus 0 is 0. So therefore, we can announce our answer as 3 hours, 22 minutes. Okay, we've come to the end of the lesson. That is fantastic. Please, I want to beg you, watch this video over and over again. Watch it over and over again. When you watch it over and over again, I bet you will get the logic that is behind this thing. The concept is very simple. You just need to sit down and be mindful of this dangerous colon. Everybody say dangerous colon. Dangerous colon. And be mindful of it. Okay, watch out. Please like, make sure you comment and press our notification button so that when we send anything like this, any video like this, you'll be the first to receive it. I love you so much. Bye.